this is our base station. We have controllers hooked up to the base station, which sends commands to the 4 Roombas out in the playing field. So we're playing the game right now. So let's go.
Alright. If there's any confusion.
And shit.
What is wrong with everyone's Roombas? Ours works perfectly.
Our radio.
Oh no. Has it?
Why am I so slow? Whoa! I guess I'm gonna be spinning.
Ow!
No! Why are you making me spin all that?
How dare you, Bob?
Oh god!
Wait,
where are you?
Justin, reset mine.
Wait, I'm not even turning on the volume.
Did I stun
Danny
you?
wants the base station.
Oh, he's stunned.
He's out!
Stunned.
He's out!
Reset again.
Oh, he's in forever charging.
Should rip that out. It's more of a
No! No! Reset!
Justin, can you reset mine?
Ours is the only Roomba that works 100% of the time.
I'm gonna.
Oh, stunned.
Yeah. And if I lose, I do this.
I will stun you forever.